Hey, good morning everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams. Today is July 7th. It's Sunday and there's an all-day brownout. So we're heading over to Siquijor to avoid the brownout because there's nothing worse than being in a tropical nation and getting caught with no electricity for 9 hours. So we're down at the port right now. As you can see, it's a beautiful morning. I'm by myself because somebody forgot the SD card. I'm not going to say any names, but it wasn't me. So she went back to get the SD card because we have a 7:20 ferry to Siquijor, which is over there. So that's what we're trying to do right now. Hopefully everything will go according to plan. So come along for the trip. Should be interesting. JRS, where's my Balik Bayan box? And come to the La Isla del Fuego, the Isle of Fire. Siquijor. Okay, so the person who forgot the SD card, again, I'm not going to mention their name, got back here in record time. It only took 20 minutes to get back to the house and come back with the SD card. So now we're in the terminal at Dumaguete. They got a nice little terminal now. It's all air conditioned. It's fairly well organized. They got TVs you can watch. And we'll be boarding in about 15 minutes to go to the Isla del Fuego. Or they call it the Isle of Witches, and I'll tell you why they call it the Isle of Witches. Because they have the dreaded Wak Wak there, and they have Aswang, and they have Caprice, the giants in the jungle that smoke cigarettes. And I gotta try to find them because I want to have a cigarette when I'm over there. Here we go. Mount Talinas in the distance. Los Cuernos de Negros, the Horn of Negros. Beautiful day in Dumaguete, and this is our luxurious transportation. Ocean Jet. There are multiple trips from Dumaguete to Siquijor every day. It's pretty cool. It's fast. It only takes like 40 minutes. And there's another one heading out. Alright, here we go. There's home. And we have safely arrived at Siquijor Port. Alright. Now we have to find a scooter rental. And actually at Siquijor there's this cool little white sand beach over here. Right when you get off. It's nice. Yeah. Porters. Alright, so we just got a rental. Rental on Siquijor is about 300 pesos a day. They're going to ask for 350. You can do a little bit of haggling on that, 300 pesos. This is a fuel-injected Honda Beat. Love the automatic scooters, so this is what we're going to be... This is what's going to be conveying us around for the next 2 days. Good luck to us. And one last thing, and God strike me down if I'm lying. The guy who rented us this said, be careful. He said, be careful with the dogs. There's so many dogs in Siquijor. And then he also said, and also be careful of the Chinese. And then he laughed. So watch out for the dogs and the Chinese. Okay, so we stopped off in San Juan because our accommodations are in San Juan. And I've always driven by this place right here. And I've never checked it out. And basically what it is a cold spring. And it's a nice green space also, right in the middle of San Juan. And it's got shade over there and the cool water. And it's just a nice place to cool off. And here in San Juan, they also got a little restaurant over there, which is nice, and Negocio, which is a business center, I guess, of some sort. And of course, here in San Juan, it's strictly BYOG. They do not provide or sell any type of garbage here, so you have to bring your own garbage. So, there's that. We have arrived at FunTaSea Resort. There's Negros. There's Apo. There's Mindanao, the dangerous place. So yes, we're here at FunTaSea. And this is something new. They got a floating little island out there. We're gonna be checking that out later. Also, the kayak is free. That's something new. And they have the rope swing. We'll be venturing on that a bit later. But right now we're just gonna check out the accommodation. So basically FunTaSea is composed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little rooms, basically, right on the beach. right here in San Juan, where hopefully tonight we'll get a fantastic sunset. And let's go check out the room. We got some Chinese neighbors. Hello, Chinese neighbors. Hi. There we go. Hi. And you got two cool chairs here. We'll be here tonight, hopefully, checking out the beautiful sunset. We're here for the sunset. We have a TV so we can watch Showtime with the canned dolphin laughter. Gotta have that. We got a little kitchen area. We won't be utilizing that too much. But we have a water heater for coffee, 3-in-1. And we got, of course, mugs, water. They give you some water. Got a sink. Yeah, it does sink stuff. And you got a bed. Spending a lot of time here. A nice view out the door, right on the water. It's really nice. I mean, this is a cool little place. It's $2,500 a night, and the place is fully booked a lot, so it's kind of hard to get rooms sometimes. It's got air conditioning, which is important, as you know, to me. It's got a Panasonic inverter. It's beautiful. It's absolutely, it's like art. Whenever I see inverter air cons, split air cons now, I think of art. And this is something new too. We have some sort of clothes rack in case you get wet. And no smoking in the bedroom. And there's also that strange door. There's that strange door right there. I don't know where that goes to. I'm not sure. You got the front door, and you got the mystery door. Bathroom. Oh, somebody left the toilet seat up. It's not cool. AEG water heater. Gotta have a hot shower, man. So I have hot showers here, and I don't have hot showers at home right now. And a mirror in case you need to look at yourself. I'm looking good. Yeah. And guest kits. I'm sure it's got all the stuff and toilet paper and a bidet in case you're the type of person who likes to flush their nether regions after utilizing the facilities. Also, I like this. It's raised. It's like pebbles. It's cool. I like it. Ew, that's pretty gross. I'm in the bathroom touching it. Okay. So that's basically it. And they got a little light thing over here, which is nice. I like that. So cross our fingers. Hopefully tonight. And you can see there's a jet ski out there pulling up. It looks like one of those banana boats. Got some people kayaking, some people snorkeling. And they're singing. So wish us luck, hopefully tonight. Right now, they let us check in early. It's only like 9:30. And so what we're gonna do now is take a quick shower, and we're gonna head up into the interior part of the island and explore that. And then tomorrow, we're gonna do the circumferential road. And hopefully tomorrow, we'll see some black-tipped sharks and barracuda. So keep your fingers crossed for the sharks. And what the heck is that? Oh, I thought that was a whale. And the beautiful sunset tonight. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.